Hello again! This lesson is so much fun because we will do something you have never ever done. We will learn how to use much and many correctly once and for all, I promise. Because I will give you great tips on how to memorize them. So much and many. Well, you're a smart person, so you can easily guess that one of them can be used only with uncountable words and the other only with countable ones. I will give you 3 tips to memorize which one is with which. I myself am really a visual type of person. That's why I teach with visual elements on Bubble TV. So when I have to learn something, when I have to memorize something, I always try to find a visual connection with it. So tip number 1. Much goes with uncountable nouns and the U, the letter U, is actually in much. Tip number 2. It's easier to memorize something when it rhymes or alliterates, so much fun and many muffins. And tip number 3, for people who like learning with a typical sentence, here's one. I don't have much money. How many bills do we have to pay? Much money, many bills. Okay, once again. I don't have much money. How many bills do we have to pay? Be careful and don't forget that when you use much, there is no S at the end of the noun. Much money, not much money. No, okay. But with many, you have to use the noun in the plural. Sorry for using this terminology again. Plural is when something is more than one. You remember? Okay. So it means you have to put an S at the end of the noun, like many friends, many cars, or you have to use the plural form of the noun, like one person, but many people. Okay? Once again, much goes with the uncountable nouns, much fun and many muffins, and the very typical sentence to memorize. I don't have much money. How many bills do we have to pay? I hope you like this episode and see you with the next one. Bye for now.